Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I received this package from Amazon and I'd like to open it and share with you because I feel like this kind of product is really important to us right now. So here's the box. I'm going to open it right now so that you will also see what's inside and how it looks like and what are the uses of this product. In this box, there are 3 inside with different colors also. So we'll check it out. The first color that we have is color blue. Here it is. It's just very small one. And here's another one, color silver. And the third one is color gold. It's just very small and it is very light. It's easy to carry with you also. These products are safe, sound, personal alarm. These are very helpful for the family members, like kids, for women alone, for the elderly people, and for outdoor sports. This alarm can make a loud sound to draw attention to protect you from having an emergency. The sound could last 40 to 50 minutes with a distance of around 600 feet. This can be attached to women's bags, backpacks, school bags, and suitcases. According to what I read, the battery of this will last 1 year before replacing a new one. To use the product, just pull out the pin and put it back to stop the noise. And that's it. Very easy to use and is very helpful for everybody in terms of emergency situation, especially nowadays. With LED lights, the emergency alarm can be applied for night lighting also. Just like this. So it's really useful. Alright guys, thank you so much. This is it for today, and don't forget to check the description box down below. It has some link of this product. Thank you.